Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Apple logo blinking on your iPhone, or you end up in having this kind of an issue. Then how we can fix it. So the one solution what you need to do is we have to do a force restart on your iPhone. So to do a force restart, what you need to do is you have to try pressing the volume up followed by volume down and press and hold the power button over there until you see the Apple logo. And make sure one thing that you have to do all these things very instantly. You should not be taking a lot of time. Make sure that you do it in all of a few fraction of seconds, and I'll be demonstrating you that. So let me do the force restart. You have to press volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button over here. Keep pressing the power button. You have to keep pressing the power button until the screen goes completely black, and keep pressing over there. You have to release only when you see the Apple logo. Just release the finger from there. Now you have to just wait so that this process is going to load up your phone. Like as you can see, you just need to wait patiently and just wait for that. Now what you need to do is just need to unlock your phone, and you have to try using this over here like this. And also keep in mind, sometimes if you try this, you have to keep on trying this multiple times for some reasons. If it for the first time, if it won't work, if that is the case, keep on trying and that will be fixed up. And this is what you have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.